In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add watermark in Canva. So if you first my channel, please consider like and subscribing. First, I'm going on Canva. I choose or open any design on here. Actual purpose, this is my design. You can open any design. It's a video or photo, don't matter. Same method. Now you need to just click on just text and X to text box. Just click here. Then you can write your targeted watermark, so this one. So I click its transparency 50. Okay, that's good. Now just you can keep it anywhere. Okay, that's it. Now you need to just click on share, download, and download as a jpg or png as you need as well. If I open this design on my PC, okay, you can see it's already added watermark. So same method you can add watermark on video. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you again.